What happened? Yeah. I know I pressed the button, drop. I know I pressed the button. I don't know, I was a little slow. It is there. I thought about it. No worries, but thank you. I guess it was late because I pressed the button, went out of the tab, and then it didn't process. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. You're already in vacay mode? Same. I don't want to go to work today. I'm just like, I just want to sleep. You added days to Easter? Ooh, good move, good move. Yeah, my vacays are coming up soonish. Like, we're already planning our vacays for the year, like, all the team, and, like, we have to do those ahead of time. And I'm realizing one of them is coming pretty quicker than I might think, in a month and a half. I'm excited. Eurovision vacay. That's what I call it. People are eventually gonna get used to it. They'll be like, all right, Eurovision, yeah, you're gonna be gone for a whole week. Hell of a boss short drop, so watching that. Huh? A boss show? Yes, I can't wait for the Eurovision week. So I have 4 weeks of vacation per year. One I use for Eurovision, the other 3 I'm always like, where do I put those 3? So I'm using 2 for when my university course for German is starting, so end of August. And then the rest is for like days here and there. Like one of them's, there's gonna be a day, 2 days where I'm not gonna be streaming on a Friday because I'll have volunteer work. I'm taking vacays off work to volunteer. It's kind of silly when I think about it, but I'm like, right. Okay, I'm taking time off to work. Not the same type of work. It's socializing, I guess. Yeah, here and there. And then there's Christmas. We do have some time off on Christmas, but there's like, knowing myself, there's like a 3 days where we're gonna be working, and then the holidays start. I know those 3 days I wouldn't be able to work, so I kept 3 days just for that. So yeah, no thank you during the holidays. I'm usually pretty down and depressed with the season of everything being gloomy and Christmas approaching, so it's like, Oh, Hell of a Boss. Yeah, I have not watched that one. Yeah, about demons and how they kill people. Spin-off of Has Been Hotel. I didn't like Has Been Hotel. I know everyone liked it, but I tried watching it. I just couldn't. It's not for me. Definitely not for me. Okay, let's open Steam. You too, yeah. Holidays. Yeah, so summer's not too bad. Like, seeing everybody go on vacay, it's like, I want to be off too, but at the same time, I'm like, oh, I'll be fine. It's nice out. Yeah. I got the end of August anyway. Has been with May. Okay. Yeah, free weekend for Subnautica for anybody who wants to play the original. If that's your thing. I played it already, so I'm good. For Below Zero and Subnautica. I see they're preparing to release the second, but I don't know if I'll get the second with all the drama going on. I don't know. Yeah, I know, it's announcing like freezing rain or whatever, but that's fine because I'm staying in and doing Blender. For today, since I'm walking, good sunshine. Tomorrow, don't care. The Subnautica drama is that they got bought by, what's the name of the company? A company, and they were promised a certain amount of money that they never got. And so there was like a whole thing, you can look it up, it's like really complicated and whatever. And the whole thing about like the original devs not getting the money and the other company that bought them wanting to like weasel their way out of it kind of thing. Yeah, you'll look it up. You'll probably find better information than me just going, I think it's this. Yeah, I forgot the name of the company. Yeah, let's see, it's Subnautica drama. Subnautica 2 is embroiled in intense drama involving developer Unknown Worlds and publisher Krafton over 250 million bonus milestone. Founders were fired in 2025 ahead of 2026 delay, sparking lawsuits alleging Krafton purposely Delayed the game to avoid payouts, which Crafton denies, citing project abandonment. Yeah. Hi, Miss 30. Hello. You're going out brunching this morning? Oh, I wish I could do that this morning. Can I go with you and not work? I can't do that. I'm the one responsible of giving the tasks. I can't do that. Okay, you done updating? Okay, sorry, Godot was updating. Yeah, that's what I just read. Yeah, they fired them, which is not great. Really bad legal advice from I don't know. I don't think so. Hello, hello, hello. All right, opening this. I need the course on the side. Dashboard. For you then. I wish. Come to the kitty cafe. I'm gonna work from the kitty cafe. No, I'm not. Imagine trying to work and the cats are all over the laptop. We have to go to the kitty cafe. What are you doing this weekend? Should we go to the kitty cafe? It's close to my place, which is great. I look kind of yellowish. Sunshine? Sunshine. Oh. I swear I changed the aperture yesterday. I didn't keep its settings. Because I had my interview yesterday for the German course. Is that too dark? Yeah, it's gonna get lighter anyway. Oh, it's parent time. No, but the kitties. But the kitties. Fine, I'll go alone to the kitties. Maybe they're far for a reason. Not from here. Anyway, the kitties. CEO of Publish got used ChatGPT to create a plan to take over the development studio. Oh god. Okay, Crafton did that. Woof. Woof. Yeah, I vaguely heard about that, I think. Now it's coming back, yeah. Woof. Covered in cat swollen really. Ugh. No, I'd take antihistamines if I go there. There's like 8 cats, so I would die. Although I think I forgot last time I went, and I was fine. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm building resistance. What? Oh, I'm in the wrong course. I was like, what do you mean building a sphere and moving the sphere without gravity? What? We're in 2D. What do you mean? Hold on. Wrong course. Why didn't I pin the other one? What? Hold on. There we go. Ew, the sun in my eyes. Like the guy eating cheese at the end of box rolls? What? Huh? I got my cat for a week and a half, but yesterday was his last day. No, kitty. No. Good job offer? Huh? What are we talking about? Okay, enemy stats. That's what we're doing. Do. Slowly but surely. We're slowly finishing this course, which will load one day. Hello? Are you okay this morning? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we are in the adding combat part. There are 8 modules left. I mean, no, there not 8 modules left. Brain, hello. A few modules. There we go. Casualties are known to come and go. I know you can build resistance. I don't know if you can build resistance on an allergy that was developed by another cat. I don't know, because I wasn't always allergic. I became allergic when I had my cat when I was younger. Like, my parents thought I always had a cold, and then at some point they were like, huh, feels like you're sick often. Maybe we should get you an allergy test. Turns out I was allergic. Is the timer recharge? Yes, it is. Although I have used it, so it might be a little decharged. But it should be fine for today. Box was a movie that has a guy that eats cheese that shouldn't because it's what rich people kills him. I don't know why I thought of a Monty Python sketch. Python sketch that I don't know, I thought about that. The one where the guy eats too much and explodes. That's Monty Python, right? I think so. Gen 2. I don't know what that is, but we're already pretty much started. It's been a while. 82. How many hours? What screen am I on? Okay, just chatting. I need the third monitor. That would help me so much, but I don't know where I'd put it. So 80. I have to reset. Great. My cat is in dev. I wish I had a cat. My imaginary cat. But yeah, I had a cat when I was younger. Sam. He was something. He was a handful. Until I got allergic and we had to give him back. Still got to see him occasionally after. But yeah, he has long since passed because, well, it's been a long time. He died of old age. He lived a long life. Have you ever had mouth? No? What? That's a scene from The Meaning of Life. Oh, is it? Oh, it's been a while. I can definitely tell you I have not grown out of my cat allergy. I have not. Also, I went the inverse way. So, I developed the allergy when I was a kid. Like, as time went on, when I had my cat. And it's never gone. It's getting worse. Because, when was the last time I had a reaction? I can't recall. I know when I first moved into my other apartment, not this one, I had an allergy reaction. I think there was like maybe cat dandruff or something left over from the other person, and I reacted pretty much to that one. Like the eyes itchy and like the nose having trouble. It drives a cat cafe. I should go like every week and like just stick my face in a cat. Try to like build up the resistance again. I don't know. I don't know if that's a good idea.
All right.
Now. Sorry. I have to mute him. So working on functions, blah 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 blah. Can I skip ahead or will I miss something important? Like last time and I had to go back. You'd make a crazy old Kelly. Shame. I could have birds. Or tons of frogs. At least I can't really be allergic to frogs, especially if I use gloves to touch them. The crazy frog lady. It was just like a whole bunch of terrariums all over. Jeez. And I have like a little house in the middle of the forest and I have my own little pond and like thousands of frogs in the pond. It's when you get something, oh my god, yeah, in the eye, it's the worst part. And then it gets itchy and like, I find the only way when that happens is to like fully douse my eye in water. Cold water. Not the greatest for my eye, but it does kind of feel good. Crazy old cat lady, yes! Yes! One crow, I wish. I want a crow. Or a bird, any bird really. Okay, is he gonna go to script or no? Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Okay, he is on battle. I'm already there. Wait, base enemy. Base enemy. Why did he erase it? Huh? Bros are awesome too. Yeah, I see them go by my window sometimes and I'm like, oh, I need to find a way to attract them somehow. Huh. Okay. Didn't we do all that before? Why is he rewriting all that? What? He's doing all the stuff that's already written. Why? His lessons are a little weird sometimes. Okay, move ahead. Whoa, 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 not too far ahead. Hold on. Back up, back up. He just did something. Enemies, new resource. What are we making? Enemies, and he is making, I can't see because bars on it. What are we making? Don't we already have that? Yes, we already have that. What? Wait, did I go back in time and not do? We've already done that. Am I crazy? Or did we not finish last time? Oh, we might not have finished last time. Is that what? Because we have battle, we already have it. Okay, so, oh, I'm silly. My bad. We've already done that. I just forgot to mark it as done. Whoops. Whoopsie. Mark as complete. Ah, the sun's in my eye. Pink, pink everywhere. Pink and thunder, pink and Godot. Yes. The only thing that's not pink is my Procreate. Are there themes for Procreate? I think it's the only one I want to keep gray. Because it's the only one I can have close to my face, so the sun's not as, like... It's not a problem like my monitor. Vacuuming my eyeball? Right? You need a grill and then loads of random animals in a cabin in the wood with large black cauldrons. What would I brew though? I'm all alone. What? It's too much brewing. I'd waste food. I almost pressed this button. Why not? I wish what? Okay. Sorry. Combat functions. Okay, sorry. Wrong lesson. There we go. Combat functions. What are we doing? Blah blah blah. We're probably gonna do the buttons. Do 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 do. Oh, you wish Pink and Procreate. Yeah. I don't think there are themes for Procreate. Because it's Apple and they like their things clean. Even if it's yours. The cat lady in the cozy town that has banana bread recipe for the baker if they befriend them. Or a witch in the swamp that has all the info about the dragon. I'd have the info about the dragon. Okay. Okay. Chance, it's going to calculate a chance we cannot run away. It'll take you back to the scene if it doesn't, blah blah blah. Okay, I get it. So we're doing the run button from what I'm assuming. He talks a lot. Okay. Hiding the text box for some reason. Where is my text box? There? Is it? Hold on. Is that the right one? Oh yeah, okay. That's the right thing. Oh, to me it's weird that he called it ticker, but to me a ticker is like a bar at the bottom of a screen that like shows stuff, like the hour or like recent news. So I was like, ticker, what are you on about? So it's this. Okay. It is kind of a wild name when you think about it. My brain kind of separates the word into create. So like I never think of the full word. But yeah. A stock ticker. Yeah, my brain ticker, that's what it is. Because I do take care of screens, external screens at work, and we call it the bar at the bottom a ticker. What am I doing? Text box. Okay. Hide. Probably should name it something. But whatever, it's only a course. Who knows? Who knows? No, words. Huh. I know what churros are. What do you mean? Do I remember churro? Player actions. Hold up. Whoa. Back up a second. I wasn't looking. Player. Did I not rename it? Oh, I might not have renamed it. Yeah, whoops. I didn't rename it. Did I not? Wait, I think I didn't. Panel, VBox container. Is it this one? Yes. Okay, I forgot to rename this. Or did I? Yeah, I did. I did forget. Whoops. Layer actions. Whoa. There you go. That's better. The churro is a lie. No, no, don't make it a lie. I like churros, they're good. No, please no. Player actions. Whoa, 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 not there. Excuse me. And what are we doing with this? We are hiding it for some reason. Okay. I don't know why I would hide that. Maybe they're just gonna appear after a bit. Maybe. Strange. Doing some weirdly useless things, and I'm like, what are you doing, sir? The cake is lied to, indeed. Indeed it is. But it is churro, it is a donut, and they couldn't make us try it. It's a lie! But it's so tasty. Okay, I'm just moving ahead because I don't want to watch him type out everything. Okay, let's go make the function. Function display text. I forgot that I don't like his case. Text. I'm assuming that's gonna be a string. And is it gonna return a string? Probably. He did not do that, but I like to do it properly. Or is it gonna? Maybe not. Can I see your code, sir? I cannot see. Text box show. Oh no, it doesn't return a string. Okay, never mind. It is a void. Whoa, wrong keyboard. Job interview? No, I'm not doing a job interview. I don't know what you're talking about. I already have a job. Text box show. There might be better ways of doing this, like using variables and stuff, but just for a little reminder, I am following a course, so I am trying to do pretty much what he's doing, just in case I bust something, because I've done that before, try to go ahead of the person, get ahead of them, and then end up really not doing the right thing. Text, obviously. That's it. Cool. Simple enough. Oh, the German. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, the German yesterday went well, surprisingly. My music. Yesterday was an interview for. It was to like place me in the right course for the German course because I'm a little more advanced than elementary stuff. Toronto. No. What? But yeah, that went surprisingly well. She talked to me in German for most of the first part, and I understood maybe 95% of what she said. I was like, whoa, crazy. And I didn't even do any, like, not revision, that's not the word I'm looking for. Didn't do any, like, refresh of my memory of, like, German beforehand. And it just, so simple, so easy. And she was like, oh, you speak very well, blah, 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 in German. I was like, wow, thanks. Oh, and then she placed me in a rather hard course. And she's just like, okay, just try it for the first 2 weeks. If you can't understand, have too much trouble, you can cancel. And then for the winter, you can go for one down. I was like, okay, I'll try. Because last time I was doing German, I was A2. So German works with letters. It's A1, A2 for like the first parts, B1, B2, and then C1, C2. C1, C2 is like super advanced, like you're writing essays and stuff. I think you are doing a little bit in B2, but not as much. But she placed me in B1 essentially, and I'm like, it's gonna be hard. And I have a feeling the teacher is gonna be speaking only German. So, yeah, it does save me money, that too, like less courses to pay for. But still. Also, small caveat, it is at 3:30 in person, so I'm gonna have to start working early. So from 31st of August, there will be no longer a stream on Thursday, because I'm gonna have to start working at like 7. Yay. Yeah, so that's a little problem, yeah. And then I like that it's in person because I can practice in person. I don't like long distance stuff for like talking like that. I prefer being in person for sure. But yeah, the audio stream will become German class, well, / Godot. It's become Godot now. So yeah, it's gonna be one less streams, which is oh well. It's gonna be that for a long time. I'll be done with the challenge before we return back to normal. We were pitching English classes and went well. Yeah, it does force you to like immerse yourself and like understand what they're saying. There is that. You become less lazy, I guess. But yeah. Yeah, I thought it was like, oh, it's only gonna be for a session. Then I looked at the next courses and I was like, no, it's not gonna be for just one session. It's gonna be more than one on the Thursday. Do some German on chat day. I mean, you guys wouldn't understand unless you're from Germany or speak German. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Set health, display text, pressed. I don't have that. Wait, hold on. Hold on. What do you mean? Oh, I'm missing a function. That's fine. I can just copy. Yeah. On run. Run. Oh, okay. I guess it's not part of it. I guess it's a new one. On run pressed. Whatever, it's a void. Player panel, age box, player actions, hide. Wait, didn't we do that earlier? Okay. Okay, because you're running. Makes sense. Player actions. Right? Right. I know little German. He's sitting over there. Ich weiß wenig. Sprich einfach langsam. No, I'm not going to Austria. It's just I wanted a course, something to get me out there, and I was like, nah, German seems like a nice thing to do. Get tree, change scene to file. Oh, that's how you change scenes. I see. Can I could probably just drag it, right? Scene. Am I blind? Where is it? Not in assets. Scenes. Okay, I am blind. Bloop. Here we go. Okay. Did I miss something else? Display text, that's fine. Wait, no, is it? No, it's not. I don't have that. Display text. We want to display a wild enemy name. Name. I feel like it should be giving it to me, but whatever. Appears. Nice. Hello, Lauren. Good morning. Hello on the YouTubes. I know I will never have again, but like, no, not more German singing. No, sunshine. Why didn't I go? Because money? Because I'd love to travel, but money? Right? It's a thing. Hi, it's me, very fancy here today. Ontario weather is grey and flat. What do I have today? It is the sun. The sun. Hold on, let me see. My eyes are a little high. Very sunny indeed. Why Godot over Unity Engine? Cause free. And I didn't know if I would want to continue or not. I know Unity is free for the first part, but it's like it's like the rest. Share that around a bit. Nuh-uh. No, we had lots of gloominess. And we're getting more. We're getting your gloominess soon, so yeah. Er lebt in einen Stiefel. The heck's a Stiefel again? It's my own fault? Oh. Oh, no singing, especially not in the morning. Maybe at some point I'll bring it back, but not with this microphone. I've always wanted to have an SM58 and plug it into the second XLR and like have it like on the side and like occasionally just switch microphones and be like, ah! Have like a bunch of echo on that one. Boot? Boot? Oh, boot. He lives in a boot. Yeah. Oh, took me a moment there. What are you trying to say, Mr. Nee? I am so confused. Where were we? Okay, this should technically work. It looks very squishy. Because of the typo, or is it just squished together? It looks funky. I think that's what he's explaining. Or is he? Because if the typo's awful if the spaces look like that. Loved it. One of my fave places. I do need to go to Austria though and see the castle. Yes. Definitely want to go. Signal. So that's what it's supposed to look like? Ugh. Not my favorite typo. Yeah. Favorite font. Sorry. Typo is more of like a French thing we use. Font. Sorry. Good morning, Tanvir. Hello. So my classes for entrance exams started. Ah, well, that's all right. Gotta focus on those. Very important. Very, very important. It's picky to get right. Yeah, but it might be the font too. Hold on, it's kind of bugging me. Let me check with another font. I just have to remember where that is. Okay, here. Font file. Whoops. Yep. Because it looks better like that. Hold on. Can I... God Lord. I don't know how to do this anymore. Font file. Can I do... Let's see. Oh. Hold on. I have to go on my computer to find fonts. How do I... Oh, I can't. Oh, it has to be in my thing. Okay, well, let's keep it like that. So, yeah, it really is the font that looks like poop. I'll keep it like that. It's more legible. No, I don't have a job interview. What are you on about? Okay, we're sending a signal now. To what? What are we doing? Ready, display, blah blah blah. I want to wait until the signal is fired to display. Stop scrolling so I can copy your text. Text box. Signal. Text box. Okay, wait, hold on. He didn't finish writing. Closed. Oh, I get it. Okay. So basically, what we're doing is that when we close this text box, because apparently we can close it, the stuff's gonna appear. Okay. Okie dokie. Animation stream? What do you mean, animation stream? I didn't animate anything. Not yet, anyway. We'll get there. I can't wait to start doing stuff with Blender where we animate. I haven't even started animating 2D and I'm already like, oh, animating Blender, yes. Rigging, yes. The 2D? You mean like the art? Yeah, the bunny's bunny. The bunny itself is finished. The background is in progress. Still not quite there yet. Should probably bring him to work. Then again, I only take half an hour of lunchtime. I always end up reading webtoons instead. Okay, so now blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Yep. I get what you're trying to do, sir. Blah. Oh wait. Self. Xbox closed. Yeah, the bunny gal shadows and all. It will be posted on my socials for Sunday. It's Easter on Sunday, right? Not Monday. Right? I never know which holiday's which. Which day is the holiday? Sorry. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hope you have a good morning, afternoon, or evening. Player actions again. And we show the player actions after we get the signal. Obviously, I have not coded the action of closing it, I think. No, not yet. Yeah, right? You were right. So the thing with threads that's confusing is threads, their hashtags become these like little thing on top beside your name, I think. Wait, let me see. It's very confusing. Let's see if I can find one easily. Of course not. When I'm looking for something, I can't see it. Like, I don't see many hashtags on threads. Oh, there's one. Let's see if I can show you. You can see this here, the game dev threads. Like, you do a hashtag and it immediately becomes like that thing. So it becomes confusing between both of them. I'm also still zoomed. Oh, I didn't know it was called Easter Sunday, so yeah. Yeah, Meta seems to not love them, but my feed on threads is less garbage than Blue Sky. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my threads, not my threads, my Blue Sky feed. Like, I'm trying to tell it to not show me politics, but it just keeps wanting to feed me politics, and I'm like, stop, jeez. Good morning, thank you for the follow, or good afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Welcome in. Blue Sky's all about them, even though I never see hashtags in the posts I see. But yeah, I ended up muting a whole bunch of words, lots of US politics stuff, and it's still trying to feed me that stuff. And I'm like, stop, I just want to see art in game dev. I don't care. Show me cats instead, please. Nearly 1 p.m, then good afternoon, and still, welcome in indeed. The girl I talked to me for 15 days and suddenly blocked without any word. That's not fun. Huh. Strange. I'm a fan of Blue Sky. I was until my feed became garbage. I don't know what happened. And then I always end up on threads now because like my feed is just so much better. Like I can show you. Okay, maybe not. The heck is this? Like you'll see a lot of like, hold on, let me just hide my tutorial. I can't see myself. Okay, you'll see a lot of like game dev stuff, weird random stuff. We see art. Like this is my threads feed. Not too bad. There's like a little bit of dating through it. I don't know why. I don't know where that came from. And then if we look at my Blue Sky, let's see, not bad. Maybe I have fixed it. Okay, a little bit of politics. Maybe I have fixed it. Kitty. So cute. But then yeah, there's this like weird random German articles that I'm like, what? Where'd that come from? But yeah, I'm slowly fixing it. Slowly fixing. Yeah, the feeds, I know I have, like, I finally added, what was it, 3D feed, but then again, it's not great. Like, even at that, I'm not satisfied with it. It's, oh, where is it? Where does it appear? Is it in here? Yeah, you'll see it at the top there. Like, I've added feeds. Also, there's a dog going crazy, but like artists. But then sometimes it's not great. Sometimes it's nice. Sometimes it depends what you get, what's going on that day. And graphic stuff. Yeah, I follow like Blender and stuff. Time to learn a new language. Well, I'm already learning German, so a new one. No, not another one. No. But yeah, I guess it makes me practice. But why does it have to be politics? Why? I don't want to learn about that. I'm just trying to hide away from the bad news, not see it. I'm so tired of bad news. Okay, new function apparently. Okay. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Oh well. Funk, what are we doing? Process? Oh, didn't realize we didn't have process yet. You remove discover feed? I keep it just in case. Like for threads, it's helped me find lots of people, lots of great artists and stuff. I don't know what happened with Blue Sky. Like Blue Sky went from like really nice, really decent when I first started with it to like, what? Why is it all politics all of a sudden? UI accept and text box visible. Cool. Text box. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why are you so far? Oh, right. What? Hide and mix it. What? Oh, yes, we have to. Oh, right. I'm so silly. I didn't read the other part of the if. I was like, hold on, why are we closing already? Whoa. Whoa. Text box. Height? Oh, and we have to emit. Whoa, hold on. He's going ahead a little too much. Hold on. Too fast. Emit signal. Text box lows, obviously. Only have feeds for topics I want people I follow. Yeah, I have that now, but I still like Discover. Sometimes you get a little gem in there. Everyone X followed you. Is that you? Is that what you're saying? Because I saw X, I was like, X? Who is it? I got someone called Outpost Simulator followed me. I got Cheetan to like one of my posts. If you don't know who Cheetan is, it's this thing. They liked one of my posts. I'm like, whoa, whoa, awesome. They liked the sketch of the bunny. I was like, well, that's random. Okay, so text box closed, blah blah blah. So we don't have this action, I believe. Obviously not. Went a little bit ahead of him. Show me. Oh, built-in? It's built-in. Is it built-in? Oh yeah, it is. Enter. Oh, that's cool that there's built-in. Nice. That saves a lot of work. It does indeed. Do I like Taco Bell? Never had Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Weird way of saying it. But no, we don't have Taco Bell here. So, no idea what that tastes like. So, does that mean... Oh. Whoops. Whoopsie. Excuse me, if I write it right, it's gonna work better. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, not that. No, not this again. Please no. Please no. Yay, it works. Cool. Simple enough. Forget German, you need a trip to USA, go real cheap. No, thank you. Sorry, but I'm not going to the USA these days. Nope. I like the other Canadians and boycotting you guys, sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Until you change presidents and get something more decent. Sorry if you voted for him, but yeah. Okay, that's fine. Whoa, hold on, I missed something. He went super quick. On run pressed. I have a feeling I didn't. I might have missed something here. How is this connected? I feel like I might not have connected a signal somewhere. Or not a signal, but like... How's it connected to my button? Hold on. Display... On run pressed. Also, I saw the US complain that Canada was going for Canada-only materials for a Canadian project, and they complained about that. It was like, how about you mind your own business? Jeez. Like, hello? Wait. Wait, signal. Really? Why? Xbox closed. Why would that be related to the running button? Huh? Oh, I get it. Okay, because we're making the... Oh, I'm silly. But, when do we reappear? What? What are you talking about with the job interview? Where's that coming from? Display text. Oh, because it's in the function. You dummy. I was like, when do we bring it back? Yeah, read the code. That's what happens when you're trying to copy code. It's like, well, when do we call this exactly? Okay, but I have not connected the function, so it's probably not gonna work, right? I'm guessing, because I skipped ahead. Okay, oh, excuse me, space. Duh. Signals, pressed, unrun pressed, there we go. That makes a little more sense now. Yeah, same. Like the things that are said just don't make sense to me. Like what? Okay, bamboo appears. Yay! And then we go back. Yippee! The thing is, like, he's been here for like a long time, but I don't know what's happening lately, Mr. Nee. Is everything okay? Like, why are your texts so unrelated? I'd say, yeah. It's just confusing. Although, if this continues, I might have to ban you. I'm very sorry. If you're gonna talk to people like that in chat, it might be at my limit this morning. Yeah, that last comment, not accepted. Sorry. Okay, come on. Yeah, go on. Yeah. He did it the other day too, where he called somebody an idiot, and I didn't like that. Like, his weird texts, fine, but if he starts calling people loser, idiot, or whatever, no. Sorry, even if he's a long-time viewer. Meh. Yeah. Oh, it's fine, Miyu. It's fine. I even forgot you were still a mod. I thought I had no mods. It's fine. It's okay. It's alright, Miyu. But yeah, if No, just being mean is no. It's just no. The weirdness, fine, annoying, but fine. But if you start insulting people, it's sorry, no. Oh yeah. Oh no, the beef has been going on for a while now. I've been debating whether I ban them or not. Cause like obviously long-time viewer, it's kind of harder because they've been around, they've like supported, and like there's a limit. At some point it's like, no, that's it, enough. Yeah, it makes me glad. I'd mostly semi-ignore it, but I'd be like, what? Like I was trying to be nice a little bit, but it didn't really make sense. There we go. You guys saw what I just did. Banned. There we go. You're ready to ban people now. Yeah, as I said, I have to learn to be meaner to weird viewers. If you're just like, no, get out of here. Out. I have been ultra patient. Like, at the end of the day, at some point it's like, I'm here for something else. I'm here to learn game dev. Enough of this. Enough of this weird questions and being mean. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Life is short. Be nice or be bad. Good one. Life is too short. Life is too short. Just get rid of the people who like get on your nerves. Yeah, it's just so weird. It's like he sticks to a subject and people call him out, and then he calls them idiots or losers or whatever, and it's like, are you having a dementia moment there? It's going slower than anticipated, but then again, like, not my fault if I'm always tired in the evening. Obviously in the morning it's a little shorter, so I don't have that much time to like really get into it, and streaming obviously kind of makes it a little harder. As you can see, I have to mod at the same time. But yeah, it's going. I should like, I'm actually glad I got Godot in 2 days because I feel like I wasn't doing enough of Godot. Like I wasn't sinking in as much, but it's getting there. Like, I didn't need to go back in the tutorial to get the button for the on run. I knew where it was. Like, at least this is starting to stick. This is good. Also, 4 minutes to go until I must walk to the office. But tomorrow I will be back for a longer stream. We're doing some Blender. And yeah, there's that too. I'm super focused on Blender these days, and it's an obsession. 3D. I'm calling it sick. Yeah, I can't. In good conscience, I can't, because I have proposed myself to help out or project chief by assigning tasks. Sometimes I regret being nice. Oh yeah, I have to go. Why? But at least it's only for 2 weeks, and I chose the best 2 weeks, aka 4 days. So I'm fine. I didn't even think about that when I proposed myself, and I was like, wait, I accidentally chose the 2 weeks that are the shortest. Whoops. So yeah, tomorrow Blender. I am on holiday tomorrow, so it's gonna be same time, 7 a.m., but I will stop at some point. I don't know when. Either I just do morning and then keep the afternoon to do like relaxing and stuff, or morning and extend to the afternoon, or with Blender, or morning and stop and then Blender in the afternoon, not Blender, Godot in the afternoon. We'll see, but definitely Blender in the morning for sure. It's gonna for sure like 7 to maybe 10, 11. We'll see how long 24-hour marathon. No. I don't think I can do that. No. Ah, merci pour l'excellente journée aussi. Toi aussi? Oh, thank you, Drop. Yeah. Seems to be, yeah, I don't know why 3D is just like, it's like it opened the door. It's like, oh, I can do so many things. Oh. Yeah, and I'm getting more comfortable with Godot as we go. Definitely don't want to be changing programs anymore, because I feel we're at a point where we have to stop jumping around everywhere. Although I have never talked about changing engines, just the sound stuff that I'm still unsure. But yeah, tomorrow's Friday. Yes, tomorrow's Friday, and I'm off because it's a holiday for me. Yay! Indeed, indeed. And then Saturday, and then Sunday is relaxing day, and then Monday we're back to do art. We're not going to be continuing the bunny because the bunny should be done by Sunday. I do have a bit of a deadline on that one, so yes. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Welcome into the channel. I usually don't call them out unless the person talks in chat, but I believe you talked earlier, so it's fine. I am Enno. Thank you for the follow. I mean, tired Jeremy's more. Yeah. God. I never did 24 hours. I did 12 was my longest. But then, like, your brain just starts... It's just... Oof. Like, maybe at some point after we're done with the challenges, maybe we'll do, like, a game jam or something. Then I might have to do those types of streams on the weekend. Maybe... Big maybe. We'll see. We will see. But preferably that would happen before German starts because... Ooh, that'll be rough. Also, there are random holidays coming up in June and July on a Wednesday. Like the 24th of June and the 1st of July are holidays, but they're like in the middle of the week, so I might do something for those. It's kind of weird to have a weird random day. So we'll see. We will see. But... I must change the schedule. That's right there. The sound's wrong. It's supposed to be Godot. So the first one's Art Godot. Just chatting. It's supposed to be Godot after, and then Blender tomorrow, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, are we reading out? It's a Kirsty day, isn't it? Or Thursday? Yes, it is a Kirsty day. I think I'm grown too like comfortable to just reading out to Kirsty. You know where we're going. We're going to Kirsty. Say hello. At some point I will mesh you guys in with the same community. Okay.
Engines that don't have wings should work.
I was wondering when that was coming. The obligatory hot air balloon had to come. Oh, forgot the hot air balloon. No. We could also have a little one of these.
Why is it spicy?
I like that one too. If you're awake for a full day, your concentration level is not the same as someone who's down to half a fifth of scotch. What is spicy? Alright, I hope you guys have a great day. Say hello to Kirsty, be nice. If you like some art, stick around. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for lots of Blender. I'm excited for tomorrow. Yes. Alright, see you guys. Reading out.